Hello everyone. So I have fast wireless car charger from Amazon. As usual, I'm doing open box, showing you around. Alright, this is a car mount, and it says fast auto clamping fast wireless car charger. Input DC 5 volt 2 ampere DC 9 volt 1.67 ampere. Output 5 watt, 7.5 watt, 10 watt. So let's see what we have in the box. Alright, so it says 7 matters you need to know before using. So if you buy this, you can read it through. ZeeHoo, looks like a brand name. This is just a thank you card and user manual. Alright, so let's see what else we got. Looks like this is for the vent. And what is this? Let's find out. USB cable, and I don't know what you want to call this. I think this is the actual phone holder. ZeeHoo. So, alright, back of it, I think you put this in to connect. You can connect this like that. Snap it in and screw it tight or loose according to your need. Alright, and to take it out, you can just snap it off. Alright, and let's see what we have here. Looks like the suctioning cup. So it actually shows it. I should be able to use this in the windshield, on the dash, and air vent. So we'll see if it will work or not. This is all we have in the box. If you like to buy this from Amazon, I'll put the link up in the description. For now, that is all. Please like the video if you like the video, and subscribe, of course. I will be bringing more open box videos. So thank you for watching, and you have a good day. Bye bye. Hi, I'm actually back with this ZeeHoo car mount. I know I said bye earlier, sorry, I said bye little early because I forgot to show you something. Actually, this is supposed to be wireless charger for your phones when you're using it in the car. So it does have a port right here. Okay, looks like a type C, and you can connect this to your car charger Okay, it does come with USB cable type C, so all right. And it's supposed to actually automatically open this clip and close, and at the same time it is supposed to charge your phone when you have it in the mouth. So let's try that. All right, I actually am not gonna use the provided cable. I recommend you to use the provided cable, because sometimes the third-party cable won't work properly. So I'm connecting my type C cable. As you can see, it's lighting up. All right, so, and it's opening itself. Okay, so looks like this light is the sensor. Okay. So when I go near that, when I go touch that light, it closes, then it opens up, closes and open up. Okay, how about motion? Motion doesn't work, you actually have to touch it. Okay, so I have, let's see, what phone do I have near me? Okay, I have iPhone 7. See if charges. iPhone 7 is not charging. This is iPhone 7 and it's not charging. Okay, so all right, it has a plastic cover. Taking it out, let's try iPhone 7 again. Not charging, as you can see. All right, so I'm taking this off, and I have iPhone 11 Pro Max, which I'm gonna try. All right, I'm gonna try it with the case on first, and it's charging with the case on. Okay, like I said, I have the case on it and it's charging. Okay, this is a Ranvoo case that I got from Amazon too. I'll probably put the link for that case too if you like to use that. It's a very good case, I like it. And without a case also it's charging, as you can see. Okay, all right, it does charge wirelessly your phone, although even though you have to connect this mount to the power supply, but it does charge your phone wirelessly. So all right, I think you do have to have compatible wireless charge compatible phone to charge it wirelessly. Like as I showed you, it didn't work with iPhone 7 and it worked with my iPhone 11 Pro Max. I actually also have Samsung S10 Plus. This is a clone phone, this is not an authentic Samsung, so I'm gonna try to see if this charges. It's a clone phone, so I don't think it will have the, sorry, excuse me, it's a clone phone, so I am not positive that it will have wireless charging capability, so I don't think it's charging. All right, starting up. Yeah, it's not charging. Like I said, you do have to have wireless charging compatible phone to charge wirelessly. Okay, it's not charging. Let's take the case off and try. So yeah, it's not charging. All right, this is a good mount to have it, so that you don't have to look for your phone port to connect when you're driving. You can just put your phone in the mount to charge. All right, and it does have sensor to open it and close it. All right, that's it. This is the wireless car charger. I don't know how fast it charges, and I haven't used it, so I don't know. So, and I have to say bye for real this time. Second bye. Thank you for watching my video. Please like and subscribe and share if you want your friends to take a look at this video. Putting the plastic bag, trying to protect everything. All right, okay, thank you very much. I hope you like my video. I do come up with different kind of unboxing videos, so if you like to be notified, please subscribe. Thank you very much again, and I appreciate your time. Thanks. Bye bye.